Ya Allah, my heart it bends and bows in the silence where only you know. Subhanaka, the stars they sing your name. In the darkest night I see
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
of eternity. Allahu Nur as-samawati wal-ard. Your light guides the lost and scarred. Alhamdulillah, through joy and